Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. How are you today? Today, I am here with Maya, and today we are going to talk about weekend plans.
Hello, everyone. I am very happy to be here today. Let's start our conversation.
Hi, Maya. How are you today?
I am doing great, thank you. How about you, Ryan?
I am good too. I am happy because tomorrow is Friday.
Oh, yes. Friday means the weekend is almost here.
Exactly. I love weekends.
Me too. Weekends are my favorite time of the week.
So today, let's talk about weekend plans.
Great idea. I always have fun plans for the weekend.
Do you plan your weekend early or decide on the day?
I usually plan a little early, maybe on Thursday.
Oh, really? That is smart.
Yes, it helps me use my time well.
I usually decide on Saturday morning.
That is more relaxed.
Yes, I like to feel free on weekends.
That makes sense too. So Maya, what do you usually do on weekends? I usually clean my house on Saturday morning. Oh, that sounds like a lot of work. Yes, but it feels good after it is clean.
That is true. A clean house feels nice.
What do you do on Saturday mornings?
I usually sleep a little longer.
That sounds nice too.
Yes, I enjoy sleeping in on weekends.
What time do you wake up?
Maybe around 9 or 10 in the morning.
Oh, that is a good rest.
Yes, during the week I wake up very early.
So the weekend is your time to relax.
Exactly.
After you clean your house, what do you do next? I usually go grocery shopping.
Oh, where do you like to shop?
I like the big supermarket near my house.
That sounds convenient.
Yes, it has everything I need.
What do you usually buy?
Fruits, vegetables, and some snacks.
That sounds healthy.
Yes, I try to eat healthy food.
That is a good habit.
What about you? Do you go shopping on weekends?
Sometimes, but not every weekend.
Oh, really? Why not?
My mother usually does the shopping for our family.
Oh, that is nice.
Yes, she likes to choose fresh food herself.
That makes sense. So what do you do on Saturday afternoon? I usually meet my friends.
Oh, that sounds fun.
Yes, we like to have coffee together.
Where do you usually go?
There's a small coffee shop near the park.
That sounds nice.
Yes, we talk and laugh for hours.
What do you usually talk about?
Many things. Our week, our families, our plans.
That sounds like a good time.
Yes, it helps me relax. What about you, Ryan? What do you do on Saturday afternoon?
I usually play football with my friends.
Oh, that sounds fun too.
Yes, we play at the park near my house.
How many friends usually come?
Sometimes 6, sometimes 10 people.
Wow, that is a big group.
Yes, it is always fun.
Do you play every Saturday?
Almost every Saturday if the weather is good.
That sounds like a great routine. Let's talk about some useful sentences for weekend plans. Great idea. This will help our listeners.
The first sentence is, what are your plans for the weekend?
That is a very useful question.
Yes, people ask this all the time.
Another sentence is, I am going to visit my family this weekend.
That is a good example too.
Let's talk about grammar a little.
Okay, I am ready.
I am going to visit uses the future tense with going to.
What is that used for?
It is used for plans we already decided.
Oh, that makes sense.
For example, I am going to clean my house on Saturday.
That is a useful sentence.
Yes, many people use it every day.
Let's give another example.
Great idea. She is going to meet her friends this weekend.
Perfect example. I understand this grammar better now.
Good. Let's continue our topic.
Maya, do you have any special weekend plans this week?
Yes, actually, I am going to visit my grandmother.
Oh, that sounds nice.
Yes, I love visiting her. She lives in a small town.
How far is her house?
About 2 hours by car.
Oh, that is a long trip.
Yes, but it is worth it. She makes delicious food.
What kind of food does she make?
She makes amazing soup and fresh bread.
Wow, that sounds delicious.
Yes, I am looking forward to it.
Looking forward to is a nice expression.
Yes, it means you are excited about something in the future.
Example, I am looking forward to the weekend.
Perfect example.
Let's practice it together.
Okay, let's do it.
I am looking forward to seeing my friends.
I am looking forward to visiting my grandmother.
Great job.
What about you, Ryan? Do you have special plans this weekend?
Yes, I am going to watch a movie with my brother.
Oh, that sounds fun. What movie?
A new action movie. I am very excited.
I like action movies too.
Do you go to the cinema often?
Not very often, maybe once a month.
I go almost every weekend.
Wow, you really love movies.
Yes, it is one of my favorite hobbies.
Do you prefer watching movies at home or at the cinema?
I prefer the cinema. The big screen feels special.
That is true. The sound is also better.
Exactly, it feels like a real experience.
I usually watch movies at home. It's more comfortable.
That makes sense too.
Let's talk about Sunday plans now. Okay, Sunday is a little different for me.
How so?
Sunday is my rest day. I don't go out much.
Oh, what do you do at home?
I read books and drink tea.
That sounds peaceful.
Yes, it helps me prepare for the new week.
What books do you like to read?
I like stories about travel and adventure.
That sounds interesting.
Yes, I enjoy learning about different places. What about you, Ryan? What do you do on Sundays?
I usually cook a big meal for my family.
Oh, that sounds nice. What do you cook?
Sometimes pasta, sometimes grilled chicken.
That sounds delicious. Yes, my family enjoys Sunday dinner together. That is a nice family tradition.
Yes, we all sit together and talk.
That sounds very warm and nice.
Let's learn a few more useful words now.
Sure, let's continue learning.
The word relax means to rest and feel calm.
Example, I like to relax on Sundays.
Perfect example.
The word tradition means something a family does regularly.
Example, Sunday dinner is a tradition in my family.
That is a good sentence.
The word adventure means an exciting experience.
Example, I love reading about adventure.
Great example.
These words are useful for daily conversation.
Yes, learning new words every day really helps. What about you listeners? What are your weekend plans this week?
Please write your answer in the comments below.
Yes, we would love to hear about your weekend.
Everyone has different and fun plans.
If you are enjoying this conversation, don't forget to like and subscribe.
Yes, it helps our channel a lot.
Thank you for supporting us. Let's talk about the verb go a little.
Okay, that is a useful verb.
Go is an irregular verb.
What does irregular mean?
It means the past tense does not follow the normal rule.
What is the past tense of go?
It is went.
Example, last weekend I went to the beach.
Perfect example.
What is a regular verb example?
Visit is regular. Past tense is visited.
Example, last weekend I visited my grandmother.
Great example.
This grammar helps a lot for talking about the past.
Yes, exactly. Weekend plans often use future and past tense together.
That makes sense.
Do you prefer busy weekends or relaxing weekends?
I think I prefer a mix of both.
What do you mean?
Busy on Saturday, relaxing on Sunday.
Oh, that sounds like a good balance.
Yes, it helps me feel ready for Monday.
I agree completely.
What about you, Ryan?
I prefer busy weekends. I like staying active.
That is also a good way to enjoy life.
Yes, everyone is different.
True, everyone has their own style.
Let's talk about weekend trips now.
Oh, I love weekend trips.
Have you traveled somewhere recently?
Yes, last month I went to the mountains.
Oh, that sounds beautiful.
Yes, the air was so fresh and clean.
Did you go with friends or family?
I went with my family.
That sounds like a nice trip.
Yes, we hiked and took many photos.
What did you enjoy the most?
The quiet nature and the beautiful views.
That sounds wonderful.
What about you? Have you traveled recently?
Yes, I went to the beach with my friends.
Oh, that sounds fun too.
Yes, we swam and played volleyball.
That sounds like a great day.
Yes, it was one of my favorite weekends. Let's talk about weather and weekend plans. Yes, weather can change our plans a lot. What do you do if it rains on the weekend?
I usually stay home and watch movies.
That sounds cozy. Yes, rainy days are perfect for staying inside. What about sunny weekends?
I like to go outside and enjoy the sunshine.
Same here. Sunny days are perfect for outdoor activities. Yes, exactly. Do you check the weather before planning your weekend?
Yes, always. It helps me plan better.
That is smart.
Thank you.
Let's learn one more useful sentence pattern.
Okay, let's do it.
The pattern is, on the weekend, I like to.
Oh, that is useful for many situations.
Example, on the weekend, I like to read books.
Another example, on the weekend, I like to play football.
Perfect examples.
This pattern is easy and useful for daily conversation.
Yes, exactly. Please practice this pattern at home.
It will help you speak English more naturally. Thank you everyone for listening today. We hope you enjoyed this episode. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment your weekend plans. See you in the next episode.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye.